Yeah, you probably care.
Apparently. Wait a minute. Hold on here. All three of them.
Say what?
All three of them.
How? What do you mean all three?
All three of them are.
Well, where's the other one at? Wait a minute, where is the other one at?
The one is on the top, and the one is on the bottom.
Well,
And Lemon's in the middle.
yeah, the one on the top ain't doing nothing.
Yes, he was. Or
He's
she.
watching.
Oh, how sweet. Oh,
What the hell? Did you make him do this?
Mom,
Look at that.
now they're calm. Did you like your cake?
I haven't eaten it yet.
I stopped over at,
I'm debating if I should eat it tomorrow. What's up, buddy boy? What's up?
It's our zoo.
What's up, buddy?
you off tomorrow, Court?
Yeah.
I'm not off until...
Is that Ozzy?
Yeah. Oh, you buddy. Your buddy. Who's your pretty boy?
Look, now they are all spread apart.
Hurting.
Mom.
What?
Hi.
What's wrong?
I'm tired.
You don't have to have... I'm tired. It's been a long day.
It's a naughty. Go see your mommy.
Buddy?
There's a lot of features in this one. The three birds.
Little animals. Look at my animals. Young good boy. Dog's outside.
Bubba's outside.
Bubba's outside on the porch. Daddy brought her up. Ozzy King.
Ozzy's trying to make his place.
Oh, here you go, buddy.
Only Mom will get a cat that has is you need to make space for me. The cat is freaking lazy.
Who? Ozzy.
Ozzy.
You'd be lazy too if you only had three little legs.
Yeah, but the cat is spoiled.
How did you like your cake?
I haven't eaten it yet.
It's a spoiled cat.
Very spoiled. As spoiled as Chewy is. Chewy's worse. You hear the dog? All
Yeah.
the zoo is up. Up and running.
The zoo is up and running.
Yep. Lala's helped me get a charge today. I had her purple shirt on.
Where's that at?
I have no idea.
Courtney, where's that at?
What?
Before I lost the weight, I definitely wasn't feeling like myself.
The picture showed this huge guy, and I'm like, is that me? Try Nutrisystem and get new premium meals. And
Ozzy.
You need to do a crap.
What?
Well, not
Laura.
today.
What?
Not today.
What?
Yeah, I would like to do a craft. I don't know why. I wanted to make something for Emily, and then I'm like,